Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video on here. We've been hunting down parts for Project Dart in preparation to make these changes. The last week has been spent taking the car apart, getting the transmission out so we can swap this other one that has been on the bench for the last few months. We are now officially prepping for Battle of the Bluegrass in Louisville, Kentucky this Saturday, May 18th. It's a week from today. It's definitely a show you don't want to miss, so you can look it up on Facebook or Instagram for more information. So as far as what we've accomplished over the last week, I didn't videotape it because I was working out here after work every evening, but I do have the transmission out now. It's over there on the floor. It had a 5th gear synchro out. As I've showed you in a previous video, I was already putting new bearings and synchros in the original transmission in preparation for it to go back in here. About a week ago, it also left me stranded. It wouldn't let me put it in gear. Come to find out, a spring had come loose in the clutch disc, so we also went ahead and put a new clutch disc in there. The pressure plate seems to be just fine. While we're at it, we're also sending off, well, we've already sent off and got the parts back, but we sent all the charge pipes, air intake, and the strut brace off and had them powder coated in the same fireside copper as the wheels. We're also rerouting the catch can in between the air oil separator and the manifold, hoping we can catch a little bit more oil that way. Another thing we're doing, we have a wing ordered from Modern Performance. This is not the correct one. This is actually going back for, I believe it's the PVO style. This one here is the executive style. The PVO style is a little taller. So we're waiting on it before we install it. Then over here is all the rest of the pieces that are done in fireside copper, as well as the HKS blow-off valve. I've been in the shop all day by myself, so I wasn't able to tape the actual assembly process, but the transmission is back in. Everything's functioning just the way it should. We've reinstalled the catch can. It's routed to the back where the PCV is on the AOS here on the engine from the factory. It was drilled out. Here you can see we've added the PCV right there in the line. That still enables boost pressure to build up to that point just like it used to keep this AOS from pressurizing, but I moved it in line so it also keeps the aftermarket catch can from pressurizing when the car is under boost. You can see here all of the fireside copper piping is in, as well as the strut bar was also powder coated in that color. In due time there will be some other stuff on this engine that's powder coated, like the valve cover, as well as the compressor housing on the turbo once we upgrade to Euro Compulsion stuff turbo. But just wanted to bring you an update. I got to get a couple new tires put on the wheels for the front, splitter back on it, and set it on the ground to start cleaning it and getting it ready for the Battle of the Bluegrass this coming Saturday, May 18th. If you like these videos, please hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Thank you.